Guess who's back? Back again. SBB's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 SBB's back. So I've learned how to open my boxes, but you just cut a little bit of the tape with a knife, and then done. So we got our SBB coral shipment here. Here it is. Let's see what's going on. SBB safe to order from. Go get him. He's got quality corals. It eats the bomb. I mean, look at this stuff. Amazing. Amazing. And I keep getting more stuff all the time. Crazy. Oh, let's show you. Most crazy. Oh, filter on, you say. Right, here you go, guys, with the filter. Love it. Look at all these shrooms. Craziness. All my LPS. Majority of my St. Thomas there. And look at these Yumas. Oh my god. Crazy. Alright. Let's get to the unboxing. First things first, we got a sticker. No number! And I think I already got the sticker. Yep. Goes in the pile. SBB's got some ice packs in here. They're a little bit warm still. We got baby Yuma mushroom. Got a piccolo. Supernova. Got any extension on that, buddy? A little bit, I think. Looks so nice. Yeah, we got a rainbow rare. That was a little $5 for me. Let's see. Oh, we got a little rosebud goni for Steve. More of the box, you say. Oh, Alice in Wonderland. Very nice. And, oh, there's the BK Chem. Nice. We got the blue volcano mushroom. Yuma? That's gonna be real nice. Oh, what's this huge thing? What is this huge thing? Ah, the purple prism gumball. Boom. We got a Gumby gumball. Snails! Everybody needs snails. Little night bright mushroom. I'm just gonna say that thing is pretty bright. A little no name. Little Rhodactus. See what else we got in here. Little Jekyll and Hyde. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! I got 2 freebies! And I got it looks like a Yuma. And that looks like a little Yuma too. Double freebs. Oh, wait. That might be a Rhodactus. Yuma and a Rhodactus. Shane! And let's take a look at this, the Play-Doh. Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's go down here. 2 more left. Got a little mystery signature. You know what that is? That is a Cloud9. And last but not least, the orange icicle. Alright, That concludes the video. Let's get you something of them in the tank. Just to give you guys a little something while everything's baking. There's the goni. But look at these shrooms. Wow. They're actually looking a little pink under the light there. And then just wondering what you sent me here, Shane. Like, I can't get, like, look at this thing. I don't know what you sent me. Let's look at it this way. But that was a no name on that baby. And I'm just wondering what Shane actually sent me. There you go. Alright, from left to right we got Creamsicle, we got BK Chem, we got Supernova, we got Alice in Wonderland, we got this one gets me every time. That is going to be the Rainbow Rave, and then Alice in Wonderland. Then we have the Jekyll and Hyde, and then last but not least, we got a Cloud9 there. All right.